this video, we are going to show you how to use the latest search features in Funding Institutional. First, go to fundinginstitutional.com and sign in with your Elsevier single sign-on credentials, which brings you to the home page. Notice the main search field in the center of the page, which allows you to quickly search for opportunities, awards, or funders. Enter keywords into the search field and then select the Opportunities radio button. Next, click the search icon or the Enter key on your keyboard. A list of search results appears on the right panel of the search page. You will see the opportunity title, funder, deadline, and amount. If a keyword is included in a search item, it will be highlighted in yellow. If it is not, it will appear as missing, with the text struck through beneath the title. Click the Open Preview link beneath the title to see a bit more information, including eligibility. With the preview open, to see all the information about the opportunity, click Full Description. You can also simply click the title of the opportunity. This opens the opportunity, allowing you to see all of its metadata. To perform a new search, click the Clear All link at the top of the search results page. Then, in the panel on the left, in the Search Opportunities field, enter keywords. The Advanced Search is a new feature that offers more ways to filter results. Click Advanced Search in the Search Opportunities field. The Advanced Search window opens. Boolean operators are no longer used in the search feature. Instead, there are fields that allow you to enter keywords into the following fields: all of these words, any of these words, none of these words, and prioritized words. When you enter keywords in the All of These Words field, it means that all of these words must be contained in the search. When you enter keywords in the Any of These Words field, it means that at least one of these words must be included in the search. Note that this is the same as when you do a search from the home page. When you enter keywords in the None of These Words field, it means that you want to exclude specific words and that they must not appear. When you enter keywords in the Prioritize Words field, it means that search results with these words will be prioritized and appear at the top of the results list. It does not change the number of results you will receive. To do a more specific search, other than using keywords, you can use the expandable submenus beneath the Search Opportunities field. These are called search facets. Search facets enable you to make additional selections to filter your search results. For example, you can click Limited Submissions or Recurring Opportunities to filter by these criteria. Whatever your preference, this allows you to quickly identify opportunities that fit your specific needs. To view your saved searches, open the Saved Searches facet. To make changes to the search criteria of a saved search, click on it and then click Edit Advanced Search. The Advanced Search window opens, allowing you to edit keywords in the All of These Words, Any of These Words, None of These Words, and Prioritized Words field. Then click Search. To view information or edit the configuration of a saved search, click Managed Saved Searches. From the list of saved searches, you can see the date the search was saved, the title with search keywords beneath it, the number of opportunities associated with each search, and the ability to edit alerts or delete saved searches. Note that near the number of opportunities, you can see the number of new opportunities that were added since the last time you visited the saved search. Once you have completed the desired search, you can use the menu above the search results list to do several things. For example, click Track to open the Track Opportunities window and track your selected opportunity to easily follow it and to set email notifications for updates and deadline alerts. If you are an admin or editor, click Add Notes to add notes visible only to users of your institution's account. Make a selection from the Export drop-down menu, either XLS or CSV, to save one or more opportunities to your computer or elsewhere. Click Share to share an opportunity with others via a copied link or email. Click Send to Pure to share the opportunity in Pure Research Information System. Only users whose institution has Pure and who have the required permissions will be able to view the Pure option. Make a selection from the Sort By drop-down menu to indicate how you want the line items to appear in search results based on your preferred priority. The same search features that apply to opportunities are also available in Awards, with the exception being that the search facets will be slightly different for each. The Funder search function has two search facets, Funder Country and Funder Type, and does not have the advanced search feature.